No, I think you guys maybe say I'm saying this so it sounds cool. It's if we start getting a losing culture, we won't have a crowd like this. And I know it wasn't maybe fully sold out, but I've been here when there wasn't a lot of people. So what keeps us going, all of us, is not me, all of us is, listen, how South Africa understand us and us understand South Africa. And it's not something I just say. I'm trying to answer the question, I promise you. So, no, the other things, it's nice. It's nice to hear. Everybody wants a tap on the shoulder, but that's definitely not the thing. To see these guys look each other in the eye and say, hey, we beat number 4. I'm not sure if they're 4 and 5 in the world. We beat them. They beat Argentina last week. Boys, we played with a team that's disjointed, that hasn't played together again in a lot of combinations. And that probably answers your second question. Why those things happen? Because there's some guys who's just never played at this level with the guys who play next to them. And Scotland is a team with Finn Russell at 10 and a brilliant backline and a pack of forwards that's played Six Nations 4 months ago. So those errors, I think it's fixable. Would have been disastrous if we lost. And then we have to fix those things. That's not lekker.